Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2, Challenges to National Security External. Yesterday we have seen relationship between Sri Lanka and India. Now today we are going to see last point of the lesson, means which challenges faces because of Indian Ocean related to national security, that we are going to see now. See this marine area. Indian Ocean is marine area. Okay. See in this map, it is a Indian Ocean. Means in the west side of India there is a Arabian Sea, and east side of India there is a Bay of Bengal, and these are the part of Indian Ocean. Okay, mean these seas are the part of Indian Ocean, and that's why it is very important. We want to see what challenges are there related to national security because of Indian Ocean. Okay, now see, India has a coastline of approximately 7,000 kilometer. Means India, if you want to see, there is a coastline of India is 7,000 kilometer, means both the side east and west. Okay, the Indian Ocean region is very crucial for world trade. The main trade means Indian Ocean. It is this region is very crucial. Crucial means it is extremely important or essential. It is extremely important for world trade. The main trade route is from Suez Canal to Strait of Malacca. See, means it is a Indian Ocean which is very extremely important for the world trade of India to, means world trade means other countries trade and India. There are many countries are there, means Sri Lanka is there, then some means east sides there are Malaysia, then see Malacca is there, means there are many islands are there, and which means which is very important to related to trade, and there are means that trade route is there in the Indian Ocean from Suez Canal to Strait of Malacca. See here in this map there is, means see that Suez Canal, it has a man-made waterway connecting to the Mediterranean Sea to Indian Ocean through the Red Sea. See, Meridian Ocean. See here, it is a Meridian Sea and it is Red Sea, and through that there is, means that two seas are joined between the Suez Canal. Means Suez Canal which is in Egypt country in Africa continent. Okay, Egypt means Suez Canal situated in Egypt country, and that joined to the Meridian Sea and Red Sea, and means Meridian Sea and Red Sea join between this Suez Canal, and through that canal it is very easy to it become the trade route to other country, other country through that Indian Ocean, and that's why through that Suez Canal to here Strait of Malacca. See everyone, here Strait of Malacca, means from that Suez Canal to in the west side and east side there is a Strait of Malacca. It is a main trade route of world. Okay, it is a main trade route of, means it is a very prominent route of world, and that's why there is many, means related to national security of India, there are many challenges in front of India because of Indian Ocean and through that trade route. Okay, see now, India occupies a prominent position on this trade route, and because of that India occupies a prominent, because India, it is very easy to trade, means India is connected to other countries because of Indian Ocean, and India, it is very cheap for the trade, means it is a cheap trade route for India. Okay, and that's why it is very important, it is a very prominent position on the India occupies a very prominent position through this trade route. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands also become significant here. Andaman and Nicobar Island, which is the part of India, which is situated in the Arabian Sea. There is a Lakshadweep Island, and in the Bay of Bengal there is a Andaman Nicobar Island, and these are also very important. These are also very significant related to national security as well as that because of that trade route. In the past, the Dutch, French, Portuguese and the British came to India from the sea and established their colonies. If you are thinking the past, means history, then there means Dutch, French, Portuguese, they come through, means they came to India from the sea route. They came to India from the sea route, and they established their colonies in India. Okay, they established their colonies in India. And today, countries like the US, Russia, and China are also trying to increase their influence in this area. And if you are thinking now recent period, means US, Russia, and China, they are now, US means United States, they are now try to increase their influence in the means they are try to increase their power in this Indian Ocean, and the region is rich in terms of natural resources. And if you are thinking, means there is where it is very beneficial for India, because this region is very rich as a term of natural resources, and therefore the security of Indian Ocean is a big security challenge for India. And that's why, because China, Russia, US, they are trying to increase their power in that area of sea, area of ocean, and that's why it is a very big challenge. It is a very big challenge of security in front of India. Okay, like this way our lesson finished. Okay, you have to solve this. See, means here are given collect activities are given. Collect news pictures relating to defense of India from the newspaper of India and neighboring countries and paste here. Means picture relating to defense of India from the newspaper of India. If it is possible, you have to collect from newspaper. If there is no possible, you can collect from internet and paste here. Collect news picture, second activity. Collect news picture relating to defense of India from the newspaper of India and neighboring countries and paste here. Okay. Means like this way you can solve these two activities. Our lesson finished. Okay. And complete this activity. Thank you.